over here?
He actually got on top.
Oh my god! Let me closer.
I gotta zoom in. It's awesome.
Holy shit. That shit is...
What's he doing now?
Hey, you help me watch it this slow. I'm not helping watch it. I swear the shit out. Dude. Look at that tire.
We gotta wash it off. It's gonna bounce like a motherfucker going down the road. You got no traction turning though. You gotta spin it easily.
Dude, it's their sand tires pretty much.
Yeah, I know.
Man, this mother slings a hell of a... You were over there on the hill, it was slinging them in these woods.
Look.
Yes.
You don't want to dog the shit out of it, but you just wanna.
Yeah. You're still video.